just got back from the Balloons Festival with the family. That was awesome. That was rock star. Now it's time to get back to work. So we are walking to the public library for a meeting. It's just a conference call, but it's a big deal for us. You know, it's a, I guess you could say, an interview for to become a part of the process, the application process for one of those executive leadership membership clubs, you know, where they bring in high net worth individuals and companies to kind of be a part of training and different accelerator programs to help with leadership and development within their respective companies. And typically they have you know, certain valuations those companies need to be at to be accepted. But you know, I told them that I don't have that traction yet on the business, but it's projected to be there, and we know it will be there within the next couple of years. And I believe year 3 we're going to be $100 million company. So you know, the only thing that stands between me and that valuation is just work. And the good news is I got plenty of work ethic to share. So we're gonna go and talk to these guys and see how it goes. And you know, our goal is to be accepted into that organization, even if it's you know, even though we don't have that valuation yet. But you know, being part of the